Hi, it's Granny Tesla. If you just got a Tesla and you want to charge it at home, this video's for you.
So you're buying a Tesla and you're wondering, when you drive it home, how are you going to recharge it at home when you're not near a superstation? Well, a lot of people think they're just going to plug it into a regular outlet like this, and you very well could do that. However, it only charges at about 3 miles per hour of charge that way, and the calculations are for the average Tesla, that's about 90 hours of charging, which equates to close to 4 days, 24 hours a day. Now, if you have that much time between driving to work, God bless you. But if you don't, you might want to consider wiring in a 220 volt connection. I used a 220 volt 30 amp circuit because this gives enough juice to charge your Tesla overnight. You'll want to have the outlet right near the left corner of your car. It's easy to call an electrician for this, but if you're handy, you can do most of the time-consuming and expensive work yourself, which is running the conduit and the wire. Then all the electrician has to do is connect the wires at both ends. You'll save about $400 doing this. Here's what you need from your local hardware store. Enough wire to make it from your breaker box to your outlet, plus a little extra at each end. The wire must be number 10 gauge, and you'll need 4 wires snaked through the conduit. 2 black wires for the power, 1 white one for the neutral, and 1 green for the ground. Leave about 3 extra feet at the breaker panel and 1 extra foot at the connector so the electrician can connect the ends neatly. Get enough 1/2 inch inside diameter PVC conduit to contain the wiring, some elbows for the turns, some fasteners and some screws, a connector box, and a 220 volt connector to match the one on your 220 volt Tesla adapter. Now, this adapter has to be ordered from the Tesla store as it doesn't come with the car. Now, once your 220 volt power connector is installed, you'll be all set for a full charge overnight the day you bring your car home.
If you're interested in doing free charging, we actually went across the state of Florida and didn't pay for charging once we got there. If you're interested in watching that and also see how we did it using full self-driving, I will link the video below. For Granny Tesla, bye for now.